welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of homemade pizza. There's something truly special about crafting your own pizza from scratch, and I can't wait to share this simple yet satisfying recipe with you. Let's start with the dough. For a perfect pizza base, you'll need just a few ingredients: flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt. Begin by activating your yeast in warm water. Once it's bubbly, mix it with the flour and salt until it forms a soft dough. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. This is where the magic happens. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our toppings. You can get creative here. For a classic pizza, you'll need some rich tomato sauce, which you can easily make by simmering crushed tomatoes with garlic, olive oil, and a sprinkle of herbs. Now, let's talk cheese. Mozzarella is a must for that gooey texture, but feel free to mix in some Parmesan for an extra kick. Once your dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out to your desired thickness. Spread a generous layer of tomato sauce, sprinkle on your cheese, and add your favorite toppings. Today, we're going with pepperoni, but you can choose anything from veggies to gourmet meats. Now, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 475 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Celsius, and let your pizza cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. And there you have it, a homemade pizza that's sure to impress. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your pizza creations with us. Happy cooking!